Hello, welcome to the Motion 5 template creation tutorial for Final Cut Pro. Today, I'll show you how to create an incredible design containing a title from scratch. Let's get started. First, open Motion 5 and create a new project with the following settings. We'll be working with a full HD project, but you can choose the resolution that suits your work best. Now, let's create the title. Select the text tool and type the text you want to use. Choose a font that fits your project style. Next, add a shape to make the title more interesting. Play around with colors and styles until you're satisfied with the result. Duplicate the shape. Convert it to an outline. Change the color, width, and position. Let's work on it until we achieve the desired result. Before we continue, let's talk about the importance of organizing your project in Motion 5. When creating templates for Final Cut Pro, it's essential to keep everything organized and well-structured. Separate each text and shape into distinct groups and use descriptive names for layers and folders. This will make navigating and editing the template simpler and more intuitive. By following these organization tips, your Motion 5 project will be ready to be published as a template for Final Cut Pro. A well-organized structure will facilitate the editing and publishing process. Now it's time to bring your title to life. Select the text and go to the Behaviors tab. Apply the behavior to your text and add animation parameters. Here, we'll only use scale and opacity. Then, in the Behavior tab, change the Animation control to Custom, adjust the animation time to 1 second and edit the keyframes on the timeline. The adjustments to the fade and scale animations worked better in separate behaviors. Make the adjustments as shown in the video and remove the scale parameter from the fade and behavior. Also, remove the opacity parameter from the scale and behavior. And see the result. Next, we'll edit the shape. This time, we'll do something different. Select the shape. Here we will add a link for the scale. Go to the Inspector tab and add a link for the Y scale. And let's unify the Y scale with the X this way. Now add an initial keyframe for the X scale, setting it to 0%. The playhead for 1 second and add another keyframe, setting it to 100%. Now we can repeat the process and adjust the animation curve. Now let's animate the outline. We'll add keyframes to the first point offset parameter and adjust the animation again. Here, we can add an image mask to text 1 and link it to the shape to achieve this effect. We'll do the same for the exit animation, and there you have it, our title animation. Let's duplicate the behaviors and edit them for the animation, following the steps from the video. An important note: adjust the duration of each element according to the animation. If you forget to change this part, the element will reappear on the screen at the end of the behavior animation. Here, we will add two markers at the end of the entrance animation and at the beginning of the exit animation. Then, we will edit them in build-in and build-out modes. This way, we'll have the option to enable or disable the entrance or exit animation in Final Cut Pro. And the great news is that we're offering a free product containing all the elements you've learned in this tutorial, along with some extra bonuses. Now that you've completed the design and animations, it's time to publish the Final Cut Pro template. Go to each tab where you want to publish. Make sure to select all the necessary parameters for editing in Final Cut Pro, such as text, colors, scale, and element positions. Click Publish for each parameter separately. You can create separators with pop-up. Now name each one and publish. Now select your project, go to the Project tab. Organize each parameter in its place. An optional feature that we like to add is an on/off checkbox for each element. You can create it like this. Now you can save your template and name it as you wish. And there you have it, your template is ready to use. Congratulations! You've just created an incredible template in Motion 5 for Final Cut Pro. And remember, we're offering a free product containing all the tutorial elements and some extra bonuses, so you can start using the template immediately in your projects. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe and visit our website ifmotion.net.